Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you. Visit my website, email me, or contact me Instagram direct. I followed the assignment. This request was for large dominoes. I used the tournament size dominoes. The request also was for purple. So I created this purple color using a mica powder, alcohol ink, and some acrylic paint. The color turned out absolutely beautiful. As you know, that's my favorite color as well. This is the second set though. I did the first set with a different mold that I had, and that mold was defective. So like 8 of the dominoes turned out matte, and they have to be polished, sanded, grinded to get the shiny effect. So I guess I'll be cleaning those up at a later date and perhaps keeping them for myself. I ended up ordering a new mold, and this mold worked perfectly. So I'm unmolding here, and as you can see, they are perfect. I don't have any bubbles. I have a new epoxy that I'm using, and they turned out rather smoothly. I just had to clean the edges up. I just wanted to compare them to a standard size domino so that you could see the difference in the tournament size. There is quite a difference. These are the big boys, or the big girls, whatever you want to call them. The next process is to clean the edges. The edges are sharp, so I have my Dremel and I'm sanding them down. I will do one at a time, show you just a couple, and do the rest of them off camera. Here I'm checking to make sure that the edges are smooth. I'll do the rest off camera, but I'm polishing each one with a microfiber cloth. The color requested for the lines and the dots is orange, so I'm using an enamel to fill in each line first. I'll do the lines one at a time, and I'll just do a couple and do the rest off camera. I'm using a precision tip bottle. Got these bottles from Amazon and they work miraculously. I will list all Amazon items in the description. This orange stands out very nicely on this purple. Now let's fill in these dots with the same enamel orange. And I'll do the same process. I'll do a couple of them to show you with this precision tip bottle and do the rest off camera. I'm loving the contrast. Aren't they beautiful? These domino sets have been a hit for the holiday season, but as you know, they're good for any time of the year for you domino players. If you're interested, let me know, and I can design a set for you. For the case, I used a cigar box, a wooden cigar box, and as you can see, these are for Mona, sifting some soil and more. So I used her colors, the purple and the orange, placed her name on the front and the back. I have a cloth here that she can wipe her dominoes off with. And then I just made a design on the back of the box in orange. I certainly hope you enjoy, Mona. Kick some butt, okay? All right, girl. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Give me a thumbs up. Toodles. Peace and hugs to all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Again, be blessed. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.